As a personal injury lawyer, I get a lot of questions about demand letters. So I've prepared this video to explain what a demand letter is and what a good and effective demand letter consists of. A demand letter is sent by a person who is injured. It gets sent either to the person who caused the injury or to the insurance company. The demand letter is an offer to settle the case out of court without filing a lawsuit. We see this most often in car accident cases. When we represent someone who is injured in a car crash, we typically send a demand letter to the other party's insurance company and to our client's own insurance company, especially if our client has uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. The demand letter demands that the insurance company pay our client pursuant to the policy. Oftentimes, the insurance company agrees, and we can settle the case right there. If we cannot reach an agreement with the insurance company, then the next step is we file a lawsuit and take the case to court. A good demand letter is concise, well-written, provides the details of the accident, explains why you are entitled to compensation, details your injuries, and indicates the amount of money you are seeking to recover. A good demand letter also provides supporting documentation, such as police reports, medical records, pictures, and witness statements. Again, with a good demand letter, you can often negotiate the compensation that you're looking for at an early stage in the case without having to go to court or go to trial. We've been able to get our clients million-dollar settlements just by way of a good demand letter and effective negotiations. People also ask me, if I was injured, could I just send a demand letter to the insurance company on my own and not go through an attorney? The answer is yes, you could, but it's almost never a good idea. An experienced personal injury lawyer knows how to marshal documentation and arguments that lead to bigger settlements. Also, a firm like ours has a great deal of leverage when we submit a demand letter because the adjusters know that if we don't get the settlement we think is right, we are always prepared to file a lawsuit and take them to trial. If you've been injured and you are seeking a personal injury lawyer to represent you, we invite you to call us 24/7 here at the Shouse Law Group. We will work to get you the biggest possible financial recovery.